figure out the issues with the action cams. What is the best setting? If there is any Mbit issue, we will see it in GoPro. The GoPro should be better. We will figure it out. We will see. I will try different settings. I will show you the settings on the bottom line every time. And yeah, let's go in. Okay, that's are the settings that we tried with the Osmo Action 5. You can see the difference in the bitrate. I will post it here on the right corner. Now we'll go and drive the same way back with the GoPro, and I will try similar settings what the GoPro has, and maybe we'll see a difference, maybe not.
Bruder, ist das windig hier, sagst du. It seems like that I need on the DJI Osmo Action 5 a GoPro adapter, a mic adapter original from DJI. I tried one from aftermarket from company Ugreen, doesn't work. And I tried also the GoPro adapter on the DJI, and it also doesn't work and don't record my voice from the microphone. So I think I have to order it, but yeah, I think it's normal. They want to make some money. Let's get a bit faster. No. Okay, next should be the best settings, or with the highest bit rate. Such a beautiful place here. Where is my neutral? Where is my neutral? There is my neutral. Look at this. I like it. But I don't like the streets here. They're awful. Maybe there is someone inside. Hello? Can we be friends? No, it seems like a good location to live here. Full throttle up. There is no car coming. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Man, these streets are also horrible. That's my parking lot. Oh, there is a pool. Oh, this house looks nice. I want to live here. Feels like in GTA. Beautiful view, beautiful pool. I like it. Start again with recording. I have a Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we can maybe see a difference. I also record on the smartphone on ultra wide 4K, I think 30 FPS. But I can't drive and hold my handy, my smartphone. I think in America you don't say handy. We just in Germany say handy, because handy is something near your hand. Oh, what time it is? Time for dinner! I have to go home. Okay, let's go. Should I grab her number? Or should I just grab her? No, we don't do things like that here on this channel. For a sport bike you need a flat street. Man, woman, don't ride into me please. The only thing that comes into you is...
Hey guys, I just wanted to upload the video, but DJI did it and they released the new update today or yesterday, I don't know. I just updated my DJI Osmo. And yeah, this video is now in 4K 50 FPS with the higher bitrate. I will see it when I do this file into my laptop in which megabyte per second it is. And I will it also do with 25 FPS. Let's have a look. In this video are the same settings, just in 25 FPS. Here's the bitrate from GiroFlow. Now we can see the improvement from the old one to the new one. And yeah, I guess now the deepness, sharpness of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro should be similar like from GoPro. I hope it's. Normally I should now get on my bike and drive to see if there really is a similar, but today, why? I don't know, it rains, typically. So yeah.
Okay guys, it's the next day and I decided to go and leave the video. We'll do it again. Oh, there are the clouds, what I meant.
Okay, I just changed now to 50 FPS.
There's no car coming. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Man, these streets are so horrible. Hey!
Okay, let's do a summary. On the Osmo 5, you can see we have 47 megabytes per second, and after the update we have 72 megabytes per second. That's increased by 54%, but the GoPro still is better with 95 megabytes per second, but we will see if it's still better in the quality. By 50 FPS, the Osmo has 69 MPS, and after update 104 megabytes per second. That's increased by 68%, but the GoPro still better or higher with 140 megabytes per second, but GoPro has the same issue as with the 10, 11 and 12, and it's overheating. I have the same problem. That's why I don't go higher on FPS. If you liked the video, if you learned something, give me a thumbs up, write a comment. Should it do a little bit different? What's your opinion? And yeah, see you in the next video.